Okay, so today I'm going to start with Bitcoin first. Okay, so after three rally, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, after 3 rally, Bitcoin finally broke the previous high, which is a 61 843. Okay, and just 2 day yesterday it actually break out very strong, and we have an inside bar here. So based on the inside bars rule, you should be able to long the Bitcoin from 60700. Okay, stop loss given at 59232, and then you should be able to capture this almost 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, and you should already close half your position and let the free half to run. Okay, in 4-hour chart you can see there are some bearish waves comes. Okay, trying to test this pin bars low. Okay, and the recent support is coming from this 62400 level. All right, so we can use this level for your reference to buy the Bitcoin, because there are some orders stacking here, and that's why you can see this pin. Okay, very strong pin bar already occurred in this 1-hour chart. So basically this just shows there might be another wave of Bitcoin to rally back to 6400. And in daily chart, a typical pattern like this normally implies another rally. Okay, this is a very beautiful breakout trade. Okay, rally, base, rally, base, rally. Okay, so you can apply this thing all the way to the trend line here. There is an upper trend line that coming. Yeah, it's likely to test the 77k, 67k, maybe. Yeah, about 500 or 300. So this is a possible scenario for the Bitcoin. It may still going up. Okay, daily ABCD supply. Yeah, it may be a ABCD. Yeah, if you yeah, I know where you're coming from. Okay, this is a ABCD pattern. Right? Yeah, you are talking about this ABCD move, right? It's coming. Yeah, and now a doji shows, but this doesn't lead to a reversal. It may still have another wave going up, because if you measure the another ABCD from this wave, okay, from this wave you can see the price may goes even higher to about pre-post symbol last price level count the currency. No, yeah, so this ABCD tells you the Bitcoin may goes to 69k. Okay, the big ABCD. The small ABCD comes, but the big ABCD is still in play, right? So you have to consider both direction, and we can use some good tools such as Fibonacci ratio. Okay, for example, if we measure this, we measure this from the high to the low. Okay, we measure the inverse ratio. Okay, the 1.618 67840. Okay, so this might be a strong resistance. And if we measure from here, okay, from here, the 618 at a 68899. Okay, so you can use this confluence area here to find the place for you to close your profit of your long. Okay, and then maybe there will be correction. The correction maybe looks like this, or maybe looks like a flag. It depends, right? So we don't know, but currently you can still find all the bullish pattern to consider to long, right? Yeah, the sound is clear. If you cannot hear the sound, you can always uh, refresh the room. You can re-enter, try to re-enter the room. Hello? Yeah. Okay. So, and if you apply the 8 EMA, okay, you can see the price is doing very good. Okay, with the 8 EMA. Okay, it actually the expansion comes after the inside bar breaks up, right? So the 8 EMA now become a support, and I think this will push the crypto, the Bitcoin to an even higher place because the Coinbase is getting IPO, right? Coinbase getting IPO in Nasdaq, okay, soon. Yeah, so this is very, very strong driving force to push the Bitcoin in a higher place, right? Because the cryptocurrency has been well recognized better than before. Okay, and let's go to the Ethereum, right? Ethereum very strong. Okay, expansions very high after this one wave, two wave breaks new high, break up, retest, and go, right? So this, you can apply the structure method that I teach before. You can use this as a structure breakout and retest to buy, and combining with all these candlestick patterns like inside bar. This is a very good inside bar, right? Mother bar, inside the bar, breaks up, you go, stop loss here, and you go have a 2-to-1 reward and risk ratio, all right? But don't chase the price because it's really at a very high place. So we would rather to wait for the price to go back to 2171, about this level. Yeah, you can use this level for you to get another buying of Ethereum, right? And if you remember when when I post to buy the Ethereum, okay, it's from very starting, very high, very long time ago. ETH, STT, if I remember. Should use 4Bs, right? Yeah. Oh, it is this one. When the Ethereum last year is still in 500, 475, right? 475. It just flies after the breakout. This thing seems happen again, right? You can imagine a very simple structure and a breakout retest trade can lead to like 6 times gain, right? From 400 to 2004. Okay, but that really happens, right? So this is the power of professional trading in a professional way. Okay, and LTC, I said we can buy from here. Yeah, this is a trade of our LTC after this engulfing candle. I said we can buy and even look for higher, and it just flies. Okay, 267 from the entry point at 184. Yeah, so this is a very good trade. Okay, boom, the bingo just fly. Yeah, 400 plus. Yes, you remember. Okay, so as trader, it's our job to find those low risk and high return trade. Okay, and perform in a very good behavior. Like you can move your stop loss to trail. Okay, you can use the 8 EMA to help you to follow the trend. You can use the ABCD pattern to determine where could be the ending point so that you can take some profit. Right. Okay, and let's go to Ripple. Ripple also hits $2, okay, from 0.8, right? Doubles in a very fast way, right? Just like in April 6th, it's still at 1.1. And then you can see this is a very nice pattern. Guys, you have to master this pattern, right? Inside bar. This inside bar is so nice, okay? Mother bar, some bar, inside bar, break up, okay, all the way. Yeah, simple. So whenever we are in a bullish trend or in bearish trend, and you feel the momentum is very strong, okay, you can always apply the inside bar rule, and once it break out, just go for it. If we just strike your target, like give you 2-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1, and double your capital, right? Just a few days. Okay, so this is how we identify the trade like this. Okay, inside bar with strong momentum. Okay, or you can use this 618 when the momentum is not so strong, right? So apply the 618 when the momentum is not so strong. It's in a sideways range market, but you can always use the 618 as your perfect entry point to give you a buy low method, right? Buy low and aim high. Is the screen black for everyone else? Yeah, because It's perfect, right? I will try retesting, sure. No problem, yeah. Maybe I need to, let me just refresh my VPN. It may have some problem. Okay, good. So the ripple, and let's go to 1 hour chart and see whether we can find more opportunities, okay? And when we observe the chart, you can see uh, in most of the trending markets, the market moves like this, okay? A strong impulse, okay, followed by a correction, another impulse, another correction, another impulse, another triangle, right? So you can just find out, yeah, there are a lot of correction waves. You can find a triangle, you can find a structure and a breakout, right? Structure and a breakout, structure and a breakout. Okay, so this is all your weapons to kick in your trade to enjoy the long run. Yeah. Okay, so this is for the ripple. Yeah, it's good to buy from 1.4 area. Yeah, when this level is touched, you can buy some ripple. Okay, and look at the EOS, US. Okay, rally from $6 to $8, going back to test the previous high. So I think EOS is okay to consider to buy. Right, EOS is making a new high. So this is also a structure and a breakout trade. Okay, breakout and retest. Okay, retest, you go. Okay, it's quite easy to understand this decision making, right? So you have to understand the strong bullish trend followed by a wave correction. Use 618 to help you to get a more clear, precise entry. Okay, like $7 would be good. And BTT is not doing well. The BitTorrent, okay, is actually breaking down, testing this demand zone. It may going even lower, like 0.005. Okay, so look at this place to buy. Can you tell us your EA? Sure, I'm going to show it later. Okay, so after I finish my analysis with all the markets, right? So this is the crypto markets. Okay, and let's go to gold. I think there are some problems with streaming in trading view. Is anyone here? 2 online, 3 online, 21 views. Okay, sure. Yeah, never mind. Let me just start. Okay, the gold is in a sideways range from 1750 to 1680, right? There is a very wide range. Okay, and it's coming to breaking the double pop bottoms neckline. And now it has a very good retest candle of this green candle to test the previous low here. Okay, so we can use the base at 1721 to getting some buying opportunities for the gold, because today's pin bar just shows at the bottoms of this green candle. So this level is becoming very strong support. And in 4 hour chart, we can make use of this trend line broken and the retest 618 trade. So this could be a very good patterns that we can make, right? So this is a perfect trade that going to, go for it, right? Go for it. Okay, it's very nice. All right, a wedge was broken, retest the 618 and it comes all the way. So you can buy the gold right now. You can buy the gold right now to enjoy the returns. Okay, it upon the rally to 1760, you're going to get like 2-to-1 reward ratio. And the long term, I'm going to say the goal could be rally to 185 to this level, most likely. Yeah. So it's your job to capture the wave to upside all the way to 180.51. Okay. Yeah. The gold aiming 180.51. Now the candle has been testing this level very many times. Okay, so the supporting is getting very good from this level. Yeah, it's okay to consider to long the gold to 180.51. The euro, okay, the euro rally very well. So yeah, euro continue rally after breaking this wedge. All right, and the euro makes a very strong upside move, which I pointed 2 weeks ago. I said this place we can consider to buy the euro. Okay, and now the euro goes up, and I think the euro will go even higher to back to 1.2150 to this area. Okay, so you can go for it. Okay, to earn some pips from this room. Because this harmonic pattern really plays. Okay, it really plays and reverse very well. So you can buy the euro aim to 1.22. Okay, for the sterling you can, yeah, sterling is a very good trade. This inside the bar I will definitely take. Okay, so let me just complete this inside the bars trading plan, right? So we can see the sterling has make her inside the bar here. Okay, 1.3768. Now it's 1.3793. It's just up for 30 pips. Okay, so this is how I record my trading plans, right? So GBP/USD daily chart, inside the bar goes up, right? You can do the same thing, yeah, like me, so they can record all your ideas in TradingView and you can do a review of them. Then you can get more training and exercise, okay? And you can check whether your analysis goes right or wrong, right? Goes up, okay? So entry when thread to 1.3770, okay? Stop loss at 1.1694, okay? So aim, okay, 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 1 to 1, RR ratio, okay. And then the potential gain of this trade could be very high, okay, because this is a inside the bars rule, okay. 1 to 1, you take some profit, which is here, 1.38, and then the next target could be 2 to 1 here, right? Then you can go to aim for 4 to 1. It's about 1.40. Yeah, 0.40. Okay, so here we go. 1.3845, 1.3920, 1.40. And then it's done. Okay. Remember to add some arrow. Okay. 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, and 4 to 1. Okay. This is stop loss, and we make it a red line here. This is stop loss line. Right. So you can go to publish, trading view add here. Yeah. Okay. Choose your category into like, candlestick analysis, putting a tag of inside the bar. Okay. Publish. Done. Okay, so this is how I record it in trading plan in TradingView. It's very simple, but you have to make very sound decision. Okay. Yeah. Why I want to trade this inside the bar? Because this double bottom shows, right? And the supporting coming from 1.3694 coming in very well. So it breaks new high, breaks the inside bars high, and that's why we want to capture the the next wave, right? And since the euro already rallied very well, okay, so this is some correlation trade, right? Euro already rallied very well, but the sterling remains at a flat. Okay, so I think sterling will capture the gain. So this is some fundamental area you can consider. Yeah. So whenever we doing a trade, okay, it's very good for you guys to think how many reasons that there is to support your trading idea. Okay, so sterling we found inside the bar goes up, okay, and we find very good support from this area, and we find that euro already break the trend line, but sterling hasn't, right? So sterling may quickly capture the gain, okay, back to the 1.40 area like euro. Aussie dollar, very nice behavior, okay, a triangle consolidation finished, okay. After yesterday's pin bar, today is a very strong rally, so this is going to lead to a new uptrend move for the Aussie back to 0.79 at least, okay. So Aussie dollar also a very strong buy, just like last time here. It's just same thing happen, okay. Yeah, you can anticipate this same bullish wave comes right after this triangle consolidation for the Aussie. Kiwi as well, very nice breakout. Just need to put your stop loss below 0.6990, right? And all the way it goes. Go to 4-hour chart, you can find, yeah, what is this? Can you recognize this pattern? Can you? It's inside the bar, right? Yeah, so in Kiwi dollar, you can just trade it inside the bar. It just in 1 second gives you 1-to-1 reward and risk ratio. Okay, without any hesitation, it just goes up. Inside bar is one of my favorite pattern in trending markets. And later I'm going to show you guys how good the inside bar can place with crypto world. Yeah, it's crazy. You know, you won't believe that how can the inside bar become so, you know, profitable. Yeah. Right. So this is inside the bar for the Kiwi going up. All right. Kiwi is going to long dollar Canadian. Dollar Canadian still in a downtrend channel. The downtrend line still plays. All right. So as long as this trend line plays, you can always sell dollar Canadian. Okay. And don't forget, this is a 2 weeks sideways. So once a breakout happens, the dollar Canadian will just falls very, very sharp. Right? Just like sometimes like this. Okay. A long sideways leads to a very long expansion. Right? You can earn like 200 pips, 300 pips easily from this kind of a downside wave. Our Cypher Guardian on Sterling. Cypher, you are you talking about this? You mean this one? Are you talking about this one? Yeah. And or you're talking about this bearish one? This one? Yeah, there is a cipher here. Maybe going back to 1.41. Yeah. So that's why you can take the CD leg. You can consider CD leg to go for this ending point. Yeah. It's very, very wise. All right. Oil. Oh, oil. Very strong, right? This is beautiful cup and handle patterns, right? Yep. Okay. This is a beautiful cup and handle patterns for the oil. Okay. You just need to go for the long, right? Because all the sellers are going to be killed, right? This is okay, beautiful, nice rally. Okay, so oil continue going up to 65 and 66. And let's get an SP 500, very strong. Okay, still trending all the way. You know, keeps going up. Okay, no reversal pattern at all. So every pullback is your entry point to go for the long. Okay, and there are a lot of inside bars along the way. Inside bars here, inside bars here. Okay, inside bars here. Okay, so you can see, yeah, after several inside bars, okay, the S&P just rallied another 400 pip, $400, okay, since April 1st, and that's due to the due to the money policy that made by the Fed. They are not going to hike the rate in this year, and the fundamental shows, yeah, the asset is going up because the weak dollar, the printing money, will lead to this. Okay, so go for the trending of the S&P. Yeah, get the pullback to buy, pullback and then buy. Okay, and make good use of the reward and risk ratio to determine where you want to take some profit. Right. For example, this one. Okay. For example, this one. Okay. If you trade this inside bar breaks up, instantly you have the free trade. Okay. Then you can capture the next gain. Okay. So let me now introduce to you how the inside bar and pin bar works together to give you a good returns. Okay, so I'm going to give you this. So this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to apply this strategy from the Jack Trading Academy. Okay, the pin bar and inside bar, and we customize it into some figures that whether you can follow the trend or you want to do in the reversal. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Okay, so let me apply the window first. Okay, so can you see the chart? Can you see the chart? This is the MT force chart. Okay, yeah, this is MT4 charts, right? You can see, right? Okay, can you see it? Nasdaq still going up. Nasdaq still going up. Just the S&P is going up as well, right? So let me just explain to you, okay? If you see this blue dot line, it just shows that there's an open trade of the long. Okay, you can see here, this is a long trade. Okay, so blue line goes up means buy position earns money and close at a higher place. And if you see a red line goes down, okay, we just show you this is a short trade, a shorting trade. Okay, so this line just links the entry and the closing point. Okay, so let me just show you how it works. Okay, so here I'm going to use both the pin bar and inside bars mode. Okay, which we understand we call it it's 运线. Okay, in Chinese character, and I'm going to use risk amount. Okay, like every trade, the max risk will be $200. Okay, and I'll choose the inside bars mother bar at $4 for the gold, $2 for the inside bars minimum length. Okay, and then I choose the pin bars percentage. It will be 50% of the pin bar, and the minimum length is $2. The maximum length, the maximum pin will be $5. Okay, so after I apply these parameters, okay, let me just do it. Okay, so yeah, let's do it. Okay, so now it goes. All right, so let me just highlight to you. Okay, can you see it? Can you see the candle is moving? Can you? Okay, yeah, so it's now the starting time is like 2019 December. Okay, yeah, okay, here it goes, right? You can see it, the computer, the algos, okay, find the inside bars, breaks up, and it hits stop loss, right? Very bad. Very bad. Okay. Okay, let's just accelerate some bit, right? Okay. Okay, yeah, now it comes, right? Beautiful rally capture. Okay, wow, this inside bar is so cool. Okay, it captured a long from 1568 to 1595. Okay, $30 gain. Okay, and now it opens a sell trade of this inside bar breaks down and it's still holding, and look at this stop loss line is auto trading stop loss. Okay, which I are designed in this way so that I can capture more room, all right, to enjoy the free fall of the downtrend. Okay, so this is how it works, right? A lot of patterns are recognized automatically from the computer. Okay, buying trade. Okay, 1 to 1, close half, the other half. Okay, move stop loss to break even, trail it. Okay, and then goes for inside bar breaks down. Okay, so yeah, wow, this inside bar breaks down is very powerful, right? So let me just accelerate. Wow, is this cool? You never knows which inside bar can give you a very nice return, but this really happens, right? It capture away from 1577 to 160.70, $100. It's unbelievable, right? Just a one simple inside bar can give you earn so much money. Is that cool? Yeah, you can feedback like anything you want to show share to me. Okay, this is how what I'm doing recently. I'm just trying to do this quantitative trading, okay, to let the computer, to teach the computer to use the same mindset as mine, okay, to trade in a professional ways. And you can see how better it is. Wow, this super strong rally we capture from here, okay, from the bottom to the high, and we take some profit from time high, right? Wow. The beauty one good thing of this trading system is the auto trading stop loss system. So whenever the trend is going correct, okay, it's in my favorite directions, it will just trail the stop loss automatically so that I can enjoy the very nice return of the bullish trend. You can see here. Wow, this, let me just pause it. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that a simple inside bar breaks up, followed by some pin bar. This is a pin bar, and the buy from 1807 and all the way it goes to here. So many, and there are some short pattern earning money from here. Inside bar breaks down, boom, 4 to 1. Okay, inside the bar, pin bar. Okay, 1890 to 1943. Okay, it actually never wastes any trend. Can you see that? Okay, so how can this system become a like money printing machine? Because the reward and risk ratio is designed in this way. Okay, once it hits 1 to 1, I close half and let the other half free run and doing the trading stop loss, and you can see this. So it's so powerful that whenever there's a bullish trend, it captures the upside move. Whenever it's a bearish trend, the bearish signal will comes and automatically trade for me. And using the same strategy that I share to you guys every time: the pin bar, inside bar, structure breakout, okay, trending, follow the trend, okay, picking the reversal when the peaks and low bottoms comes, right? You see this. This is a okay, and of course there are many losing trades along the way. Okay, let me just let's just dig out how it performs, right? Okay, so we go to the this net asset value. Okay, is the starting money is about 1k 10k. Okay, from 10k it grows to 23k, back to 18.5k, and then it has come to 23k in the recent 1 year. Okay, and look at the report here. This shows some secrets. Okay, the total percent of winning trade is 42.5%. It is even lesser than 50%. Okay, but the average profit trade is 108. Okay, average losing trade is minus 72. Okay, so the payoff is 1.12. Okay, but the good thing is it actually captured 2,680 trades total. So that basically means from 2019 to 2021, okay, 2 years time, it captured 2,680 pin bar and inside bars. Okay, the overall winning ratio is 42%. Okay, the reward and risk ratio is about 1.3 to 1. And that's how it doubles account, right? Okay, now let me do a very impressive analysis in Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm just going to apply the Bitcoin here, and don't be scared. Okay, because Bitcoin is going to break your mind. Okay. Okay. So let me just editing some parameters. Okay. Um, I'm going to use the $200 per trade still. Okay. Use the this is an inside the bars criteria, and then this is a pin bars criteria. Minimum is $20, maximum $50. Okay, let's go. And this is crazy. So this is a BTC's 1 hour chart. Okay, so just to enjoy the algo's performance. Okay, just to see how it captured this inside bar and pin bars trading opportunities. And this just tells you that there are a lot of good trading opportunities along the way. Some are very simple. It's just a simple inside bar breaks up or simple pin bar. Yeah, let me just slow it down a little bit so you can have here. Yeah, this is inside bar breaks up, 1 to 1, close half, the other close at here. Okay, many inside bars here. Okay, gap down. All right, no trade here. See where is the next trade. Oh, inside the bar comes, inside the bar again. Okay, breaks up, inside the bar, close half. See ya. Another ready? Is it? Okay, trace a little bit. Okay, hit stop loss. Okay, never mind, just let it go. Oh, but it opens the inside bar sell trade from the top. Okay, okay, it's take profit along in the tail here. You can see this short taking profit from here. Another inside bar. Whoa, this beautiful. Okay, inside bar after inside bar, right? Boom, boom. Two trades open. Okay, break even stop loss hit. Okay, next. Okay, finally it comes, right? Inside the bar breaks up, pin bar, inside the bar, go, go, go. Okay, and trail it at the top. And then it comes in a short, earning some 1 to 1, 2 to 1. Okay, hit stop loss. Another inside bar boost. Okay, now good. Look at here. Look at the red line. Okay, this represents a stop loss. It will automatically be trailed. Okay, be pushing higher and higher along the way if the new high is good going up. breaking new heights, we move up as well. Oh, good. Okay, done. Okay, from here to here. Right. Sometimes you will just miss some trade, but it's okay. It's okay. You cannot just earn every money, right? But the beauty is, if you keep doing this over and over again, you keep trying to pick the good, high quality inside the bar and pin bar, you will be protected from the law of large numbers, right? Because the law of large numbers tells you the more trades you take, okay, the more consistency you are going to have, and your winning ratio will be protected in a very stabilized way. And the reward and risk ratio will help you to keep earning big money and losing small money. And the beauty of this algo is it has no emotion and it is very, very uh, objective. Sorry, subjective. Okay. So its inside bar breaks up, it will goes to a buy. If it is a pin bar, bearish pin bar, it will goes to a sell. Now you can see how it earns money. And there are a lot of losing trades along the way, definitely. See that? Okay, so it's just a wait for some more minutes. The test is going to be done. And now the Bitcoin price is still at 9K, right? The big rally hasn't comes, but in fact, I don't need a very big rally. I just need a very good reward and ratio and many, many trades. I can tell you guys, these are purely based on inside bar and pin bar. I haven't add harmonic patterns inside it. I haven't add structure analysis. I haven't add, Fibonacci ratios. Okay, but based on this, the trading results is very, very good already. So if you happen to learn my course, you don't know how to find some trade, okay, go get some basic idea of how to find pin bar and inside bar. Does it work on smaller time frame? Or you need to test the parameters? It will work. I can tell you, it works on 15 minutes charts, but doesn't work in 5 minutes because in 5 minutes the noise is too high, and in 5 minutes the trending will not be so powerful enough to give you a very good reward and risk ratio. It needs some volatility, okay, but 5 minutes charts, it won't give you enough volatility. It works best from 15 minutes charts onwards. So that's why you can trade 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour inside bar and pin bar. Pick by yourself. Okay. Go for the chart, looks for the pin bar, go for the trade. Can you analysis on BNB USD? No, I have done all the analysis in all the markets. Yeah. So I may not have the time to give you this analysis. Yeah. So let me just finish this work to you. All right. So it has done. Okay. So let me just show you the overall performance. So remember, these are purely based on inside bar and pin bar. See, this is a pin bar. Okay, this is a very good inside bar breaks down. Okay, 1 to 1, 10 to 1. Pin bar, 4 to 1, 3 to 1. Inside bar, okay, 1 to 1, 3 to 1. Okay, a lot of good trades, right? Okay, yeah, inside bar goes down, boom, right, crash. So the account actually grows from 10K to 100K in 2 years' time by finding 4,800 trades. 4,800 pin bar and inside the bar, right? But we are human beings. We cannot, trade crazy as computers. But we can always choose to, to capture some good trades like this, right? Okay, yeah. So whenever you are sitting on the computer, okay, check the trend, check the location, check the structure, and if there is a pin bar, there is an inside bar, okay, go for it and make use of this trading system so that you can enhance your performance. You can go to this high, okay, and the results is like this, okay. In Bitcoin, the percentage of winning is 45.22%. Okay, but maximum loss is only 10%. Okay, the payoff ratio is 1.5 to 1. Overall average winning trade earns $143, losing $78. So it's 2 to 1 rewarding risk ratio with 45.22 winning ratio. Okay, maximum consecutive winning amount dollar, okay, is 35,000 US dollar. Okay, but maximum risk loss consecutively is only 1,900. Why don't you take FTMO challenge? Well, I don't know that, but probably I don't need that challenge because by doing this, I'm already been rich enough. So yeah, I don't want to waste time to take any challenges, but it is my uh passion, okay, to develop my trading strategy and convert it into a quantitative method, okay, so that computers can automatically find the trades for me by applying the good result. But you can see this, okay, you can see how many parameters items. This is all the tunings, right? I set the individual three different risk ratio for three opening trades. Okay, I choose to have the mother bar's length inside the bar's length, the mother bar's body ratio. Okay, I installed a filter of moving averages, filter of MECDs. Okay, I use the ATR. I use the pin bars percentage of the pin, 50% or 40%. I use the pin bars maximum length and pin bars minimum length. So there are a lot of things you need to consider to design your own trading system. Okay. So today's webinar, just show you guys what I'm thinking and what I'm doing. Okay. First of all, I want to make a very clear statement that I won't sell this automatically trading system to you guys because you don't you don't want to use it, okay? Because there are too many things you need to test, okay? And if the parameters is setting not correct, you may losing money, okay? So that's not what I want, okay? But in the other hand, okay, I'm going to give you guys something like this, which is semi-automatic weapons that I can give you, which is is the auto trading system. Okay, so this one I'm going to make it into English version and give you guys to use. All you need to do is to find the stop loss. Okay, find the pattern, enter the stop loss, enter the risk amount, and then you go for it. Right, and the performance will be something like this. You actually be as good as computer to get this trade to stop at here. Okay, to protect your profit and follow the trend. How much money do you make per month from trading? Well, I can tell you my principal is not so big. Right? It's about 1 million US dollar. Okay, so average down my monthly income will be about 100K, which will be 10% from my principal. So 100K income is fair enough for me. I will be very satisfied. So you can consider me as a 100K per month income level with a 1 million trading account. 10% per month. That's very, very tangible target for a trader. All right. When we will be publishing English version, yeah, I will need to furnish it a little bit, okay? Because there are some indicators I need to apply it and to tune up some parameters, okay? I will try my best to publish this one in a few months, okay, like next month maybe. Yeah, correct. This tool will be very, very powerful because you know that the direction is really random, right? Sometimes it's a very strong bullish, sometimes very strong bearish move, but your trades has to be managed, right? You have to close your short when price is low. You have to close your long when the price is getting high, and you need to follow the trend, right? So you have to combine a lot of things. So that's the reason I developed this system uh, to free your hands, okay? So that you don't need to look at a screen, right? You just need to open the trades. You open the trades and let the computer to do the rest of things. Let the computers to close half, to put your stop loss higher and higher. Okay, you can see here. Let me just show you by looking at this trade. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this uh, okay, for example here, right? This 17K dollar move, the computer actually moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19th modification of the stop loss, which is the trail, right? And it gets to this number. So imagine in the real world, do you really manage your trades 19 times? You've just trailed the stop loss 19 times patiently and correctly? Probably not, right? But the computer can do this for you. So it will actually reduce a lot of your work, right, in setting stop loss, trail stop, right, close half, determine the reward and risk ratio, a lot of things, okay? And you can capture this kind of move. All right. Okay. Yeah, it's very good to see you guys tonight. So yeah, I will going to end this session. Yeah, and I'm going to upload the videos into YouTube. Okay, so you can always go to youtube.com/project to look at my webinar recordings. Okay, youtube.com/project. Okay, so this is my official YouTube address. Yeah, and you can learn from me from my trading course. Yeah, because if you can apply the trading knowledge with me, okay, you can go for this very nice trading results. I will teach you all the patterns like pin bar, like harmonic patterns, 2618, Fibonacci extensions, a lot of things. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for coming. See you next time. Bye bye.